Standardized tests require that students read multiple texts and then respond in writing. In order to pull this off, they have to know what to write and how to get started. To help with this challenge, kids need a memorable way to tackle this on-demand writing. And I love using the acronym MAAM, which is part of the bigger Yes, Ma'am strategy. With the MAAM acronym, each letter reminds students where the information they'll use in each sentence will come from. Some sentences use details that I find right there in the text from the author. But other information must be inferred by me and the thinking I do in my head. When applying the MAAM acronym, a basic constructed response would have 4 sentences, some from my head and some from the author's text. The first sentence is my thinking. It's the answer. The next 2 sentences come from the author. They'll be literal words and details stated in the text. The final sentence is again my explanation. You can make the MAAM acronym more meaningful when you teach it as the Yes, Ma'am strategy. Explain to students that they're writing their responses to a real audience. Let's refer to her as the test lady. Now, depending on your state or national assessment, it could be a real live human or an artificially intelligent one. But regardless, they're writing to an audience. And knowing that a person is on the other end of their responses is motivating for many students. Ultimately, we want every student to attack open-ended questions with confidence by knowing their responses will always follow the Yes, Ma'am structure.